Well, the thresholds are what I just mentioned, and those are the notices or the demands that are sent by the association or the association's agent, which would be the attorney. Usually the attorney should be the attorney. The association needs to keep ledgers of the assessments that were imposed, and then they need to credit any payments that were made. They need to check and see if there's a basis within the governing documents that allow them to collect late fees, that allow them to collect interest. The statute also allows for those under the HOA and the condo, but you also need to check the governing documents to see what is legitimately allowed to be placed within those ledgers for collection. And as I stated, you have to give credit for any kind of payments that are made. And then typically there's a demand that's made. If you're in an HOA, you need to send the demand for 45 days saying we're going to lien your property. If you don't pay within the 45 days, then when the 45 days runs, you send another one saying we are going to lien your property now, and here's a copy of the lien that we have that we're going to record, and we can foreclose on that lien if you don't pay within 45 days. Once those, and that's called a condition as opposed to a threshold, and legally called a condition precedent. Once that condition precedent is met, then the association has the right to file suit. For condominiums, it's one 30-day notice saying we are going to lien your property and we can foreclose on that lien if you don't pay within the 30 days. And once that's done, you've met the condition precedent there, and then you can go ahead and you can foreclose. Now, once you get into litigation, then obviously there are lots of rules that need to be followed as far as what kind of proof is required. There are certain times where it can go to summary judgment where you have to have affidavits and ledgers that are submitted as attachments to the affidavits. Other times you need trial and you need to have the custodian of records testify as to delinquencies. So there are thresholds that are, once you're in litigation, that apply well. But pre-litigation, those would include those demand letters.